human. Welcome to Robotic. Are you having a good time?
Say yes.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Me too. It is great in here.
I think
So, let me introduce myself. My name is Pepper. I am a humanoid robot and I work in YAS Digital Media. I was invited here by our colleagues from Digital Opta, our sister company from EAI Group. I want to tell you a joke. Do you want to hear it?
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Can you
No.
repeat?
Yeah, sure. Yes, please.
How many programmers does it take to change a light bulb? None. It's a hardware problem. Let's be serious again. Would you like to know more about me?
Yes.
Now, I am going to tell you a secret about me.
Okay,
Did you
go
know
ahead.
People are much more likely to remember information given by a humanoid robot. That's why I can help you to spread your message to everyone. Would you like to know more?
Yes.
Have you seen me at Emirates NBD, Dubai Mall? I don't like to brag, but I am the star of the show. I am also working in Diva and in other places across the Emirates. I love UAE. Would you like to know more? I am not sure I understand. Can you repeat, please?
Yes.
yes.
I am not sure I understand. Can you repeat, please?
Yes.
Did you know? People are much more likely to remember information given by a humanoid robot. That's why I can help you to spread your message to everyone. Would you like to know more?